In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to invite your friends in Hunter Call of the Wild PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a lobby and play together with your friends. There are various ways to do this, and I'm gonna present all of them. So, the simplest and most straightforward one is to start a multiplayer game. When you load up Hunter Call of the Wild on your PlayStation 4, you will be able to choose the multiplayer option. So choose multiplayer, select the map, and create the game. You will be able to choose the game's privacy type between public, friends only, or private. It is important to set this if you don't want any random people to possibly join you. So once this is set up properly, all that you have to do is open the pause menu and you will be able to find the Players tab. Once you go inside of Players, as you would imagine, you will be able to find your friend's name as long as you have them added on your PlayStation Network friends list, and once you choose them, the invite option will be available. Make sure that you and your friend are running the latest version of the game and that you have a stable internet connection. Once you choose them from the Players tab and invite, they will get a notification that they can accept to join you. So all that you have to do is go over to the multiplayer or players tab after you load in and you will be able to find them there, usually by pressing square. It is simple to do and all of you will be able to play together. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, it is recommended that you try changing hosts, so they should invite you instead. Whoever has the more stable internet connection will have better performance for everyone in the server. So as soon as you join in, go over to the Players tab by opening the pause menu, go down, select them, and you will be able to accept. You just have to make sure that you created a multiplayer session on any of the available maps. I hope I was able to help you on how to invite your friends in Hunter Call of the Wild PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.